subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Usim Tembile.
Sure, Steve.
Finally got it right.
Yeah, next Steve, at least it's the second season. No, Steve. No, Steve. When he misses Scotty, I enjoy to come and watch Orlando Pirates, and I'm so happy for Orlando Pirates. It's Ninzizindo that is happening. Everything is flowing for Orlando Pirates. I think I'm a football gods Ayara or Rwata, because the Pirates struggled for years. In the early 2000s, they were playing good football. They struggled. They were called happy people under Konstantin Papik, not winning trophies. Unlike even Neskatis Roger Tisa, they were struggling. But the Pirates, they keep on playing their football. They focus with system that is working for them. Like Spain, even if they don't win the World Cup, but they are playing the same. So let me give it credit also not Dr. Ivan Khoza. You know, I respect Dr. Ivan Khoza. He started 1980 as a Secretary General, Kui Pirates, Essenzi Admin. He worked there for 11 years. 1991, he took over as a chairman. Ever since then, things have been going. If Tina as Chiefs, we don't want to be to improve. We still gonna say Pirates Tengama game, Pirates is doing that, but Pirates is doing very well, Steve. Yongindo bayenza kahle. The recruitment is scouters they send my players overseas now. They are performing there. Abazo bench warmers. They are performing because of development there. So no masingene game in Steve. Also let's give it credit. Milford was formed in 2012. It's still new. Starting from APC Mutsepe, NFD, it's coached by owner yabo Dr. Pupuma. Is also a doctor. But I'm against owners that are coaching their teams. I think now EPSL is another level. You need to hire a coach because it's gonna be a lot of hard admin. Because uyenza profession yakhe, uya coacher, umela yenza ama admin now, umela form development because kumele kumekho ama DDC and stuff because now we are in a professional level. And also akasayinanga ma experienced players, but vision you can see the football ayidlalayo. Zero teams that are coming here as Scotini, they can build from the back. But by Tole Pirates is a rusty because it's the first game for the season. But I think my opinion, Uzo Itoli 5. Uzo Itola, I'm sure he 5. But Kasingana Pirates, they play very well. It's the Pirates I know here dominator. But I'm not comfortable ngosibisi no CM. But I think ucoach yamthanda because I see kwi documentary ukuthi uSibisi is a leader. So I think if he can play uSibisi as a right center back, adlala uCM as a left center back, because uCM is more comfortable because uSibisi into embetha ku build up. Kaidlala is a left center back, akakho comfortable built-in. So if he can play UCM as a left center back, then uSibisi adlalele ngase right. I think anga better because izoba a witness because Tini Pirates asijongi ku league. Sifuna kwi CAF. So mawudlala against strikers ezikla caliber ka Leon presswe ngabo uSibisi uzoscore. Siphinde siye ku Tito. Yabo uTito asikazomyeka yabo. I know amabhakani azothwasa. uTito it's a brilliant player, good, is an intelligent player, is skillful, but he can't keep up in the system kawatu. System kawatu ya demand. When number 10 kawatu you are demanding when some box entries, upress, udlale, you need to have a right attitude. So now uTito this game costed the Pirates, but uTito is a very good player. If he was playing for Chiefs, I would say Pirates ya demand. Pirates here pressure. You need to at the highest level to be forward Pirates, more special number 10. So now I think after Rele Ambili, I will play Police as 10. siyeka ama favorites uTito is supposed ahlale ebenchini
Ayindaba.
awuplay ayikhona indaba yakhe indaba yakhe ikhona uTito is a good player but uTito won't suit kule bhola kaWadi you can see and every season uyakhula kamanga then there's this glamour youngsters afikayo manje yabo these players are coming from NFD development
Sure.
He can't keep up nala pace and awukwazi nozomconvert azodlala u8 no6 ku-overloaded kusekho Ndulu kusekho Mthiyana kusekho Slepe kusekho Dancing and akafuna ukumaka the attitude you can see but italent we don't doubt italent ikhona and amabhakani ayamthanda and I know ifans mazimthanda umuntu uziyamthanda nathi sithanda umdusha abalala sithanda into engekho nathi nabo njengoba bethanda into engekho nathi sithanda into yethu engekho i-player if football is about luck if uyathandwa even if usenza into engekho nathi sinama players esi-attached kuwe ningafuna wabiza ngamagama but they don't deliver is a 4 or 5 season uTito is a good player but I don't think but kukho abantu bebesithi makaye ku-World Cup but but ke okay masesoyivala Skipo let's give credit uDancing yabo uDancing I don't know ukuthi maybe say attached with uJayden I think today unreminde uJayden Adams I don't want to put pressure maybe going forward angamreplace ku national team but I don't think uDancing he can play all the games for his season because club position is very competition is very high kukho Makhawula kukho Ndulu Mthiyane kukho Namthajela kukho Mariko kukho Slepe so but if coach he can believe good Dancing what I like about the boy he understand the role yakhe he doesn't complicate izinto because ama youngsters into abethayo wala South Africa they want to do izinto too much he do izinto simple he understand the role yakhe and like he look like a complete player but but I don't want to put the pressure kumfana but I think he can be our future bafana player
siyabonga baba
asima rubber start
sleep le season le
I don't do as well and now ezinye izinto zinabantu
leave it for Gwinda